Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make formatted rice water. Start with 1 cup of uncooked rice, like jasmine or basmati, and rinse it well to remove any dirt or excess starch. Then, combine the clean rice with about 2 to 3 cups of water in a bowl. Stir this mixture gently for approximately 15 minutes. This process helps release beneficial nutrients into the water. Finally, strain the liquid into a clean container, separating the rice. To make fermented rice water, simply let your strained rice water sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This fermentation process significantly boosts the concentration of beneficial antioxidants and vitamins. You'll know it's ready when it has a slightly sour smell. Once fermented, store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain potent for up to 1 week. Using rice water is simple. After shampooing, apply the rice water to your clean, wet hair. Gently massage the liquid into your scalp and work it through your hair strands, ensuring full coverage. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate. Afterward, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. For optimal results, use this treatment 2 to 3 times per week. Here are a few extra tips for your rice water journey. If the fermented rice water's smell is too strong, you can dilute it with an equal part of plain water. Always store your rice water in a clean, airtight container in the refrigerator. Remember to discard any rice water that shows signs of mold or develops a truly unpleasant odor. Experiment with different rice types, like brown or white, to see what works best for your hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.